Do you want to learn how to edit your product photos with a white background for your e-commerce business like this in the Amazon? You can see all these photos, the elephant with all background, all these soft ties with a background, and all these dress shirts with white background. So if you want to learn, watch this video and I will show you step by step how to do that. Okay, so now step one, let's go to this website called Remove BG, Remove Background. So it's basically remove.bg. I will leave the link right below in the descriptions. So once you get into this page, find the photos. Let's say you already taken your image or product photos. So find that photos. Let me bring pictures that I have downloaded. Okay, so let's say I want this coffee machine. Let me show you how it looks like. The coffee machine looks something like this. Yeah. So let's make it smaller, something like this. And I want to remove all this background to make it a white background. So what we're going to do is just drag and then drop in here. And then just wait for it to upload. So once you upload, you can see, tada, this thing just remove all the background miraculously. So what you can do, and by the way, this is free. If you want to pay it, and you can, if you pay, you can get a bigger pictures. But for small thumbnail photos, you can use it free. So all you need is just click here and download. So once download is done, so it will look like this. Now, because it already removes the background, it becomes transparent. So the next thing is that I'm going to use my favorite tools called Photoscape X. Now, Photoscape X is a tool that I love to use the most. And by the way, it's free. If you want to download it, I'll leave a link right in the description so that you can go and click there and go download it. So once you have that transparent photos, okay, so all you need to do is come here and click new. And by the way, I'm using Mac, and if you're using Windows, the interface may be a little bit different, but the concept is the same. So here, if I want a square, so my width and height will be the same. So you can change the width and height. It depends on your needs. Then the background colors, choose, because we want white, so we just choose white color. So make sure it's white color, and then click create. So now you got this white color background. So what you got to do is that you go and insert the image. So you can insert the image that you have just downloaded. Click here. That's it. So now you got a white background. So you can see, I mean, you can make it bigger, looks nicer. Now you want to add tags, you can always come here and insert tags, and Photoscape X can do a lot of stuff. And after you're done, you just click save. So you want to enlarge and save the photo including the, nope. So then you save as your photo, whatever photos. That's it. So now you are done. Now let me open the file and show it to you. Here you go. So you now have a PNG file of the photos that you can use with white background. This will look very nice, especially as a thumbnail for your e-commerce store. So if you like these videos and you find it helpful, I would love to hear your comments, and also please share it to your friends. One last thing, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel. We publish weekly to help you grow and start your e-commerce business.